What's going on, guys? The Boy Maximum RPM coming at you with another video today, and in this video we are going to be going over the driver that I made for Thorn Rose. The thing that I didn't think of is I didn't keep in mind scale. So the driver is called Wilt. It is a defense driver that can switch to an attack mode when knocked off balance. I completely lost track of all size comparison to other drivers. So it's very, very short. So I'm definitely gonna have to make a second one because it's really kind of too short to use, but we're gonna try to use it. So this is a normal driver. This is Excel. This is Wilt compared to it. Makes Excel look like one of the high drivers. But this is Wilt, defense driver, 3D printed. And it is for my 3D printed Beyblade, Thorn Rose. So now it is complete Thorn Rose, Zan, 00 Thrasher Wilt. I can't lean at all, so either way, let's try it out. Alright, it's holding. Calzar 7 Flow Hunter. Well, there's no way you're knocking him out. Okay, so this driver definitely has potential, but not at the moment. So let me put it on Dragoon 8. And so it's going to be Dragoon 8 Wilt. Ooh! Burst resistancy has gone up. That thing is so short. Where'd I put Doom Sizer? He'll be a good comparison. Here he is. Alright. So let's test out the Wilt driver. So like I said, I will need to make a version 2 because this thing's too short. But on a bay like Dragoon, I mean, it'll be alright. I mean, no frame, no problem, but its stamina is going to be horrible like the Life After Death. It did alright, though, actually. I actually did alright. I don't have any stamina-based bays. I'll have to work on that. I'll have to make a stamina type. Well, I have a stamina type, actually. So I haven't printed it. Let's try it up against Calzar and see how Dragoon does. I do have a stamina bay. It's actually not doing bad. Okay. It's actually kind of good. Let's put it on Toxic Rose, which is on 10 Expand Guard. Oh, that can't lean at all. Look how flat he is. Okay, so the Wilt driver actually has a lot of promise. The overall shape is good. I need to get better screws, however, because this thing is literally just coming apart. So I need to get better screws. I need to rescale it and make it bigger in pretty much every way, because it is very, very small. So, for now, I think it's just going to chill out on Dragoon, because it actually seems to work really well on him. Well, guys, that is about it. Also, I need everyone's help. I have been struggling for a long time with bays having bad burst resistance as far as 3D printing goes. I need your help. So I need a gen weight. I need a 3D printable gen weight. But I need it to be tested. I've tried 2 or 3 now. I'm on my 3rd one now. And it was this one. And as you can see, the little things broke off, but it doesn't fit. It's too tall. It's the right shape, but it's too tall. So, go to my Discord if you have a gen weight that you know works. And send it to me. You will get a shout out. Make sure it's tested and works though, guys. Don't make me waste filament. Alright guys, that was about it. Please do like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on the bell notifications so you get all my videos, because I upload daily. As always, hope this video makes your day just a little bit better. Live life to the max and stay awesome.